Hi, my name is John Matthew A. Bongaling. I live in Luksuin, Ilay, Alfonso, Cavite, and I'm currently 18 years old. So, in order na mas makilala nyo pa ako guys, let's answer some questions.
Bakit ka nga ba nag-NU?
For me kasi, National University is well known for its strong academic reputation. So, through that, na-realize ko na NU can really help me hone and develop my skill for my career in the future, for my work. Another reason is that this NU branch in Dasmariñas is quite near in my house compared to other universities. So, makakasave po ako ng madami dahil sa boarding house and others expenses such as water bill, electric bill, and yung food bills, ganun.
Bakit ka nga ba nag-civil engineer?
I decided to enter the program of civil engineering or CIV because it is a field that combines problem-solving skills, creativity, and practicality. One more reason is that I wanted to be the part of something that contributes directly to the development of communities. Yun.
Ano ang iyong mga hobbies?
As for my hobbies, I play guitar, I sing, and I play online games. That's all.
Ano ang iyong expectation sa subject?
For my expectation for this subject is that this subject would help me gain a deeper understanding of fundamental concepts that I can apply in real life situations for my work and help me improve my critical thinking and problem solving skills. That's all. Through that video guys, I hope na nakilala nyo ako as your student sir. I am John Matthew A. Bongaling from CIV 254. Thank you so much. Peace out.
Kung sakaling mapandi ang pag-ibig mo sa akin, ay hayaan mo kung magbigay ng liwanag para sa atin. Akala ko tayo hanggang dulo, ba't ngayon nag-iisa ako? O diba wala kong natutunan, ang hirap mo pa rin kalimutan.